What is up, you guys? Welcome back again with another Marvel Legends review. And today we have. So I wanted this 2-pack for a really long time. This was on my wish list. We got Iron Man Mark 50 and Iron Spider with the legs. That's right, with the legs. That is awesome. Oh, see side by side. We also we get some other accessories which we are gonna look at later in the video. So yeah, let's read the bio. We got a bio for Iron Man and we got a bio for Iron Spider. So let's read both of those. Tony Stark uses the nanotech powered Mark 50 armor to take on Thanos, stored in a removable arc reactor. The armor can be completely reformed and reshaped based on Stark's needs in battle. And Iron Spider. The Iron Spider armor was created by Tony Stark for use by Peter Parker, equipped with nanotechnology. The suit can create 4 spider legs, controlled by Peter's mind, that give him increased maneuverability and control during combat. So there's the back, and look, there's the poster. Actually, he's got the helmet on in this poster. I don't know if that was a thing. If there was like a alternate one, I think there is. I don't know, but anyways, I wanna stop talking and open this. How about you guys? Yeah. So I got this from eBay, by the way, you guys. It was expensive. It was an expensive purchase, but I think it was worth it. It was worth getting. Yeah. So I wanna get this off. So you guys probably keep the packaging. I don't, but the packaging is beautiful. So I am gonna respect the packaging and not like ruin it. Okay. So this is what we got here. Yeah, we're gonna move the box all the way over there. I just threw the box. So yeah. And I don't know what, I'm not sure what this is. I don't think this is anything. This is just like I don't know what they did with the background. So yeah. So we have like 2 plastic covers here. And I think I know why. I'm glad they did that. But gimme. Oops. I dropped his head sculpt on the floor. No. That's okay. Oops, I don't want to drop this, so we just get these 2 out of here. Let's put the plastic right there. Okay. We got some other... Oh! Let me fix that. Sorry it's taking a long time, you guys. There's just... I'm really enjoying this. There's a lot in this 2-pack here. So... Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. I feel like... Hold it. Is there something missing here? No, there isn't. But I'm gonna do that. Probably do that off camera here. Or wait, no. This. Oh wait. This is supposed to go here, and this is supposed to go here. So we'll take a look at these later. So yeah, let's take a look at. Let's take a look at Iron Spider first. We got Iron Spider. He looks pretty much the... Let me pan the camera. The same as my other Iron Spider, but he does have the web shooters this time, the right web shooters, and that is great. I think on the integrated suit, there is actually, because the LEDs, they missed out on the LEDs on this one. They missed out on the LEDs on this one. The blue, they couldn't. I don't know why they couldn't have done that, but that. Anyways, let's look at the articulation here. So it can definitely. Oh, he's got an ab crunch, so that's not a surprise. So he can look up, down, inside to side. He's got ab crunch. He's got the butterfly arms and arm joints, butterfly arms. Can kick. He's got ankle pivot. So yeah, and on the back, so on the back here, we got, usually I would do the accessories next. It's kind of an accessory, but I want to just put this on Iron Spider. But you see like these holes right here? It comes with the Iron Spider legs. So I don't think it matters which, or maybe it kind of does. I don't know. But they're articulated. Yeah, they're gold. They're gold like the oh god. Yeah, they're gold like how they are in the comics. How the Iron Spider was in the comics. Can I get this on, please? It's like, why is this? Okay, dude. There we go. There we go. Oh wait, no, I actually think I put this on the wrong peg here. Eh. Come on, give me... It's like you guys are trying to figure this out here. This is definitely... Yeah. And this is... the other... Oh. I did not mean... I did not mean for that to happen. I really didn't mean for that to happen. So when the legs fell off and I had to put it back on, it'll plug these. Seriously, again. It's like trying to get. Oh. Okay. Okay. Go. Got him. It's kind of hurting my hands a bit. Oh my god. It's plugged. Ow! What the heck, man? What the heck? There we go. There is the other leg. Which we're gonna put on here. This last one is... There we go. There we go. Yeah, that's nice. And you can... Oh my god. Came off again. Yeah, these are gonna... I just want to note, these are gonna come off. So, just warning you. I'm just warning you, because they're coming off for me, pretty much, right now. Here we go. There we go. Oh! Come on! I turn them around and you... I'm probably gonna move the peg. That's... Might be why it's... Yeah, these come off easily. Absolutely come off easily, and they're really a pain. I wish it's like they wouldn't be so hard to put on. They really shouldn't be. Should be like easy here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Stop it. Oh, come on, man. I want to do, but it's... Yeah, but I'm really enjoying this. Let's put... Here, it's awesome. And I think I prefer this one over my other one. I do like the other one too, the one from the Thanos Infinity War wave, but this one's pretty much better here. And now I have all of the Tom Holland Spider-Man figures, which is like it's awesome to even like to think that, you know. And my hands are a bit sweaty. That's probably why. I just want to put... I'm gonna be posing this guy a lot. So. Oh, fell again. Stop falling. Kind of wish that the eyes were painted blue, light blue, kind of like it is in the movie. I still think when they were making this figure, they were looking at the Spider-Man Homecoming version, where it's just the white eyes, and we didn't know that the eyes would glow yet. And my leg keeps falling. It keeps falling. But yeah, the legs are really articulated. I'm gonna fiddle around with these later. But yeah, stop. Also, the head sculpts. It kind of looks like the same one we got from the the integrated suit, and also the No Way Home head sculpt, but the lips on this one are a bit pinker, so you can definitely tell the difference from the two. I'm not gonna put it on him, but actually, you know what? Screw it. I will put it on. I will put it on. Ooh. Yeah. Nice. It's very nice. Okay. Let's we're gonna check out Iron Man next. I have to hold on, I have to put this Spider-Man back. Oh yeah, and I did review that figure a long time ago, by the way. So here we have Mark 50. I'm definitely gonna have a lot of fun with this one too. And I think you can you take these off? Yeah, you can take them off. Definitely can take them off here. Yeah, they're kind of, the arms are kind of out like how the other one. We're definitely gonna compare it to, so he can look up, down, and side to side. And his arms, he's got the gauntlets, and you can see his repulsors under the gauntlets. He can kick. He's got ankle pivot, peg holes for the flying effects, and he's got a peg in the back, which we are going to look at next with the accessories. And he's got a waist swivel, and he doesn't have an ab crunch, but this one, yeah. So let's check out also, this is made in China. Yeah. But yeah, let's check out the accessories for this guy. So he comes with alternate hands, which are fists, and we are going to put one of them to show you this accessory we got here. Let me just you thought that Captain America had a shield? No, Iron Man has a shield. Look at that. Oh, there's tape on there. Tape. I hate tape, but let's put it on him. And this is a big like peg, or what do you call it? Or handle. Yeah, handle. That's what you call it. Yeah, that's what you call it. Hold on. Get it on the arm there. Yeah. Wait. I think actually. Wait. Is he? No. Gotta be careful with my figures. I'm very careful. Okay. Yeah, it's on this arm. Okay. Yeah, it is like this. Oh, wow. He looks great with the shield. Nice. And he also comes with repulsors blaster effects, which, you know what's great about them? Look. Boom. Nice. I kind of wish the arms would go down, but they can't. And I don't want to try, because I don't want to break this figure. It was already hard enough to get this figure. Oh, actually, yeah. I mean, it is kind of like the other one. How it's, can you put, actually, it doesn't matter. You can actually put um the cannon with this one, but yeah, I'm sure they want me to, hold on. We're gonna put, I'm gonna take the hand off, because I know what they want us to do. Oh wait, no, hold on here. So we gotta slide it on. That's right, we gotta slide on. I don't think. Oh wait, actually, it was upside down. So I fixed that. Oh man. Okay, let's get the hand off of this one too. Let's put the other one right here. Make sure it's in it. I hear a pop, so it's in there. So yeah, I know why. To make it look like the cannons are blasting, which is cool. Oh, hold on. Dang it all. Try not to I'm trying not to, you know what, but there we go. I got one. Let's get the other. I dropped the other on the floor. I'm dropping a lot of things on the floor today. Not a fan of that. There, and yeah, nice. Also, last accessory, but this is probably my favorites. The whole, so we got the whole, like, the, I don't know what, it's like a supersonic thing, and yeah, they had to have this clear plastic because they can't have this it's like separate, because like how would you, because you got to have something to hold it for it to stay there. So yeah, and you could take it off, and I really like these two. I think these are gonna be fun to pose and like play with, and you know, put on the shelf, have in your collection. And the leg fell again. I'm not. You guys have already seen me struggle with the spider legs on this guy. Just popping the head back on. Yeah, I'm gonna do the outro right now. Thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe if you're new here, like, favorite, and share. I got more figure reviews coming. I got a review for Karate Kid Legends, which I think I'm gonna film later tonight, since I'm filming this right now. Maybe I'll take a little break. And got some reactions, and yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you for was it 454 subscribers? Wait a minute, check my subscriber count here, because I can't forget. No, that's, thanks for 434 subscribers. I was almost gonna say 450. I wish, but help me get the 500 subscribers. I'm trying to get the 500 subscribers. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I hope you guys enjoyed these figures and this review like I did. I really enjoyed this review, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you in the future. Peace!